Fort Wayne Children's Zoo is partnered with Help the Hellbender organization, which is headed through Purdue University here in Indiana in order to save a local amphibian species. So Eastern Hellbenders here in Indiana are considered endangered, mainly due to a number of different human-caused threats. Because they are amphibians and they live in the water, they are susceptible to a number of different pollutants and things that affect our riverways. Our hellbenders, they're very important for aquatic ecosystems. They help keep in track a lot of our prey animals, so such as crawfish and other small fish that are found in the rivers. So they help keep a balance among the ecosystem. They're also known as indicator species, so they're usually the animal that actually indicates that an ecosystem is not as healthy as it usually is. Hellbenders actually can breathe through their skin, something really neat about them, and so pollutants and that sort of thing can easily affect them. So that's one of the main reasons why we are partnered with Help the Hellbenders. So the Help the Hellbender program is in partnership with Purdue University, the DNR, and a number of other zoos around the area. And we work together to help raise young hellbenders to adulthood. We actually raise a number of different hellbenders behind scenes, and they're not quite ready to be released yet, so our zookeepers and staff are working really tirelessly to care for them and help them grow to be at more mature age, so then they have the best success to be released back into the Blue River. So with our hellbenders living in more an aquatic area, being aware of the amount of trash that we produce is really, really important. Even if we're up in Fort Wayne, for example, all of the trash and all of our pollutants eventually flows down to southern Indiana and affects these hellbenders. And so being aware of the amount of waste that we produce is really important. In addition, if you are in the area of hellbenders, making sure we're keeping their habitat pristine and not moving rocks and such, because that's really, really important for their nesting sites and them growing into healthy adults. And so just being aware of our hellbenders that live in our riverways is really important. Today is just a celebration. It's a big partnership with a lot of people involved, a lot of time, a lot of effort that goes into saving these animals, and every time that we can come out into the river and participate, it's just another reason of why we're doing this.